Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an update to my Freetrade portfolio. I try to do these every month and I last did one last month in October. So I'm back this month with a November update and a lot of things have changed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to record my screen, go onto my Freetrade app and we can have a look where it is and compare it to last month. Okay, so if we go into Freetrade here, this is the home page, and as you can see, I currently have £825.30, it's just changed, 42p in my portfolio. This time last month, or around about, I had £85.88p. I've now got £825. That is not because of crazy gains, that is because I've added more, but we'll get to that in a minute. So in October, I was up by around £61 and now I'm up by £151.35 since I began investing. I'm absolutely chuffed with that. This portfolio has grown a lot and I've been really enjoying it. Investing in individual stocks has prompted me so much to start learning how to value companies, what to look for in companies, and it's just given me a lot of new things to look at and learn about, which is really good. As you can see, it just changes all the time because the markets are currently open. If we scroll down, we can see just an overview as to my investments, and you will see that these have changed quite a lot since last month. So Tesla, I did have that last month and I currently have that now. It's just increased by quite a lot. So let's click into that. So I'm up by 12.71% in my Tesla stock. So that equates to a gain of just over £70. So that's really good. And if we scroll down here, you can see that on the 16th of November, I actually bought £500 worth of Tesla. That is why my portfolio has increased by so much. That and another stock that we'll get onto in a minute. So that's really good. Tesla is one of the companies that I am most excited about and I think will do really well in the long run, and I plan to just keep investing in Tesla. I have more money in my index funds and my ETFs because to me as a beginner still, that's a safer bet. I'm learning about investing in individual stocks all the time, so I'm increasing this portfolio, but yeah, I do plan to keep the majority in index funds, apart from Tesla and a couple more that I'll get onto. So let's go back. The next one is Palantir. Now, this is ticker symbol PLTR, just in case you're interested. This is one I recently put about £100 into, on the 26th, and this is being recorded on the 29th. I did a lot of research into this company as of recently, and even though it's not doing well at the moment and I'm actually down by 9p, I think this is going to be a long-term hold for me. I believe that they're going to do well overall and there's going to be a lot of volatility and rocky waters in the short term. But I think at some point their share price is going to really increase, in my personal opinion, but obviously do your own research. And this is another one that I do plan to keep investing in should my thoughts and feelings about the company remain the same. If I see any difference in the company's fundamentals and I'm just not as comfortable investing in them, then obviously I might get rid of this position or not continue to put as much money in. But for now, I definitely plan to carry on investing. Right, the next two are very controversial. So we've got Lucid and Rivian. Now, if you don't know these companies, they are both electric vehicle companies, a bit like Tesla, but nothing like Tesla. Now, Lucid Group, I have currently got, let's have a look. I think I put £25 roughly in Lucid Group on the 15th of November. And as of right now, I'm up by just over £5. I don't know if I plan to add more or just leave that as it is. I'm still undecided and I'm still doing a little bit more research. But I do feel like electric vehicles are definitely the future. And I'm very much up for more companies other than Tesla bringing out electric cars because that is fantastic. I don't particularly know if Lucid and Rivian are going to be the next big thing. I don't think anyone's ever going to replace Tesla. That's why I've got most of my money in Tesla. But I'm dipping my toes in, I'm learning more, and there are some people that would really say that's a silly move to invest in Lucid and Rivian. I think Lucid is, yeah, Lucid is the one I know more about out of Rivian and Lucid. But yeah, I'm happy having that investment, and I may add to it. So Rivian. If you're into stocks, then you'll probably know that Rivian has been completely overvalued. I am not saying that it hasn't. I do believe it's been completely overvalued, and it's absolutely crazy. For that reason, I only put a very small amount in, and I probably shouldn't have put anything in at all, really. That may have been a very stupid thing for me to do as a beginner. I guess I could have seen it as a bit of a hype, and I should have just stayed clear. But here we are. So I put in about £20. Yeah, about £20 in, and I'm currently down a penny. So not too bad. I haven't lost loads of money or anything like that. I don't plan to add anything else to this position at the moment. I'm just going to see how it goes. The next one is SMT. Now, I had this one last time. This has not changed. I've not added anything to it. I'm currently up by 54p. Not much to say about that one. Next, we've got Berkshire Hathaway. Again, I have not done anything to this at all. I've left it alone, and I'm up by 14p. Ulta Beauty. Again, not changed anything in this, up by £1. Astra Space. Now, this is one I've not been in the green really at all since I bought it. I've not added to it. I might plan to add to it. I have a very, very small amount in there at £4.6. I'm currently down by nearly £1, but I think at some point soon we're going to break even with this one, and I just plan to see how it goes in the long term. And these two at the bottom here are ones that I've got from a free share from you guys, so thank you so much. I don't know anything about these two companies really, and I do plan to sell them and reinvest that money into one of my other positions. That's pretty much it. That's my portfolio. I can't remember exactly, but I believe last month I also had Alphabet. Now, I sold out of that position and I put the money back into Tesla, I believe, because I think Alphabet is obviously a fantastic investment. However, I didn't have enough money in there really at all to see any profit from it. It was such a small amount. So yeah, I'm really trying to play it simple with this. I want to pick no more than 5 companies, probably no more than 3 really, that I really believe in, that I spent time researching, and invest in them on this platform. Because like I said, I'm still a beginner, and I don't believe that I would ever have enough time to know 20 companies in depth and be able to keep up with the news on them companies, and for that to be able to positively impact my portfolio. So yeah, like I said, I am very, very pleased with this. I'm up by £153. The portfolio is growing. I will look to probably move some of these positions soon. Maybe a couple that I really don't have much money in, like the SMT and Berkshire Hathaway, and maybe move them into Tesla, or yeah, another one that I'm interested in. Just because if I only have £4 in there, I'm not really going to see many gains, but you know, compound interest over time, I suppose. If you do want to invest using Freetrade, I'll pop my referral link below and you'll get a free share, and so will I. So definitely check that out if you are interested. If you want me to do a video talking about why I've chosen to invest in any of these companies in particular that you're seeing on my portfolio, do let me know, and I'll definitely look to make that. These portfolio update videos are not really here to go into detail as to why I invest in them companies. It's just to give you an update into my Freetrade portfolio, and also so I can look back on it in time and see how it's done. So that's about it for my portfolio. If you want to see the other videos in this series, then do check that playlist out. And also I do have a Vanguard playlist where I share my Vanguard portfolio. So like this video and subscribe if you want to, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.